What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Varsity Overland channel, and today is an exciting day. I'm currently on my way to the shop, Northeast Off-Road Vehicles in Portland, Connecticut, to install a brand new 270 degree awning. And for those of you that have been following the channel for a while, you know that I've had an ongoing quest, so to speak, to find the perfect 270 degree awning. And if my research serves me correct, then this awning is going to be checking all my boxes. So the awning in question is the brand new 23.0 Peregrine Pro 6-arm 270 awning. It's only been out for about 6 months now. I've had a chance to see it in person. Jeremy, who's actually going to meet me at the shop, he has this awning currently on his vehicle, and I saw it in person and I was just like, this is legit. Like, this might be the awning I've been searching for so long. So I ordered one. It arrived at the shop this week. I'm actually driving there on a Sunday to install it because we are leaving in 2 days for our next adventure. We're gonna head south and we're gonna document the whole trip. I don't wanna give too much away right now, but you definitely gotta stick around. Subscribe to the channel, look back in the future so that you can see our experience on this upcoming trip. It's gonna be awesome. Yeah, I'm stoked. So I'm heading to the shop right now, gonna do a quick install, maybe pop it open, have a drone shot or two, and show you what I got. So I'm here at the shop unboxing the new awning, the 23.0, and I can already tell that I love, first off, the bag, the brand new material that they're using for the bag. Already sets it apart from the other awnings that I've owned. I'm gonna set up the camera, see if I can just make a little time lapse of me setting up the awning, getting it on top of the vehicle. I do notice the hardware. Jeremy, does the hardware come inside the bag?
Yes.
So I gotta unzip it and take the, all right.
Yep, it's in there.
Well, it's nice and compact at least. So let's get started with the setup. All right, folks, so I am back at home. I was actually able to do the awning install yesterday, and I put my rooftop tent back on top yesterday as well. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the camera around and show you some of the features of this 23.0 awning that make it what I believe to be my version of the perfect awning. So I'm gonna try to make this quick because let's be honest, how many awning review videos have you actually seen, am I right? But right off the bat, I'm very pleased with the weight of this awning, despite the fact that it provides a huge coverage of space. This awning is only about 4 pounds heavier than my previous awning, which is really not a lot when you consider all of the other gear and all the weight that I have on the vehicle already. Plus, it's extremely easy to set up and it is freestanding. The awning arms, or limbs as I like to call them, are all reinforced and even include LED lighting that you just have to plug and play. I can also really appreciate the Velcro flaps on the front and the rear of the awning to help protect the zipper. One of the biggest issues that I've had with other 270 degree awnings in the past is that they don't meet up exactly with the back of my vehicle, whether it's perfect coverage over the tailgate or meeting up exactly with my rooftop tent. None of my other awnings have ever done that, but this awning totally does.
it meets up 100% flush with the back of my rooftop tent. And even if for some reason it didn't, they include an extra piece of fabric, almost like a rain gutter, to go in that space, just in case. And one of the most mind-blowing parts about this awning is the zippered section on the rear of the vehicle that allows you to actually go through the top of the awning to access anything you either have on top of your rack or crawl up into your rooftop tent. This piece right here is a giant game changer, so that you don't have to break down your awning in order to either climb up to the tent or even just put your gear up through the window of your tent, which is exactly what I did.
All right, people. Well, dare I say that this is the perfect awning, at least for me. I would love to know your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below. I'm going to put this awning to the test in a couple days by taking a trip down south with Jeremy from AT4 Overland Bound. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, click on the notifications so that you are notified when we release that full video. And yeah, I'm pumped to finally have this awning on the truck. So thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you watching as always, and I'll see you next time. Peace, people.